He has every intentions of going into my purse and stealing my chapstick. He's after the chapstick. I don't know why. But he has some kind of fascination with the chapstick. And you're about to see the little thief in action. Yeah. Here he goes, getting closer to the purse. Open up the purse.
Bill and Marty here in the middle of another 4th of July weekend shop, job, talk club. All weekend long, we'll be counting down the top 500 wacky sound effects of all time. And here's number 499. Where were you when you first heard this? I'll tell you where I was.
That's right. He's getting closer to my target. This was funny because I didn't know I was on the internet doing my thing. And
nobody shuts down my planter.
there he goes. Into the purse. See? He's gonna run away. Jake, come here! He took off with the chapstick. Look, he thinks I'm gonna come after him. He's running. Jake! You got my chapstick, Jake! Oh, yes, I'm gonna get you! Jake, I'm gonna get you! Jake! He's in a panic. He will destroy the chapstick. I've seen him do this before. He is not joking. Anyways, I gotta go get my chapstick before he breaks it. Bye, guys.